Hey guys, Courtney, Lost Puppy Ranch, and well, the storm is definitely coming. The wind is getting pretty crazy. It's getting just weird, dark. Clouds are moving extremely fast. This poor plant, I gotta find somewhere else to put it because that's just not gonna stay there. I'm really hoping I don't lose any more trees. At least all of these are pretty much like far enough away from everything. There's a couple right there that I'm not too fond of, especially those two that are still tipped over. But we have a pretty severe storm coming, I guess. They're saying strong winds, possible tornadoes. Like there's tornado warnings and watches in effect already. Large hail, downpours, flooding, which means poor Stella's little area is going to be completely underwater again. And then I do kind of worry about this shade cloth. Granted, rain will go through it. It blows around in the wind. If it comes off, it's still going to be attached somewhere, so I'll just have to put it back up. Everybody over here is being good, just hanging out. CJ is actually still outside, but I'm not going to hold my breath on that because that really never lasts long. Definitely has some chill in the wind. So I'm just letting these guys out before it starts happening. Because I know it's going to be a long night once it starts. Man, I just feel like, I don't know. I mean, everything is put away the best that I can do. There's really nothing else that I can do. Just hope those trees don't go. Because, I mean, that one is just a movement. And you can see already that one broke off in the last storm we had yesterday. So, I don't know. These guys don't seem to have a care in the world. Their pool's nice and nasty from swimming multiple times today. Hope you guys have a great night. If you have storms coming through, stay safe. And as always, make good choices.